Hello, friends. In the series of knowledge management, today we discuss the relationship between incident management and knowledge management. So, I have asked this question in short video as well. And one of my subscriber replied that whenever we type short description and we are getting some recommendations in the form of knowledge articles with respect to the issues which I'm typing. So, what is the indication here? ServiceNow is trying to avoid creation of incident. They are asking us or they are telling us that, okay, you have this issue. It is possible that you will get the issue resolved directly by looking into this knowledge article. So you need not to create a new incident for that. Just go to this knowledge article, read it, and get the issue resolved immediately. So what this indicates? This indicates that there is a close relationship between incident management and knowledge management. A simple, to the point, and efficient knowledge base can result in reducing the number of incidents which are logged. Hence, it is enhancing or increasing the operational capabilities of a particular organization because most of the issues are getting resolved just by going through the knowledge articles. You need not to create a particular incident, then follow it, and then reach out to the service techs and wasting time of yours as well as service techs. You're not wasting because the employee are not known about knowledge management and this article. That's why they are creating incident. Okay. A company will be able to deliver much more value, much more efficiency to its customer or to the employees if they have a good knowledge management database. And it is also possible that counting or creation of incident will get down because of a good, efficient, and accessible knowledge base. Along with that, service techs will be able to deal with real issues instead with dealing with day-to-day tasks which are already there in the knowledge base. And if the employee is well informed, if they know how to access, how to navigate knowledge base better, the more efficiency you will get in incident creation as well as in knowledge management. So I guess you understand now this is the relationship between these two applications. Till now, if you have not understood the importance of knowledge management with respect to other applications as well, then you have to think about it. So you have to make your knowledge base accessible, concise, efficient, and the employee should be able to read it. Employee should be able to navigate it properly. Okay. So this is the difference. This is the relationship. I hope you got it. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this particular series, and you will get the maximum. Thank you so much. Bye bye.